If you're seeing Epic Games error code E10-0, that usually means there's an issue with a purchase, a region restriction, or a problem with buying Unreal Engine assets. In this video, I'll show you the simple steps to fix it fast so you can get back to downloading or purchasing without wasting time. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick fixes just like this. First, let's understand what E10-0 usually means. In most cases, it appears when Epic Games detects a purchase issue, especially if an item is not available in your current country or region. It can also happen if you're not properly signed in, or if the launcher is having a temporary glitch during checkout. So the first thing to do is make sure you are fully signed in to your Epic Games account. Open the Epic Games launcher, check the top corner, and confirm that your account is active and logged in correctly. If needed, sign out and sign back in again. This can refresh your session and clear out small login-related problems. Next, check whether the game, item, or asset is actually available in your region. Epic Games usually tells you clearly if something is blocked in your country, so when you're trying to buy or claim the item, keep an eye on any message about regional availability. If Epic shows that it isn't available in your region, then the error is related to that restriction rather than a launcher bug. If you do not see any regional warning, that usually means the item is available in all supported regions and the issue is more likely temporary. In that case, the best next step is to restart the Epic Games launcher completely. Close the launcher fully, make sure it is not running in the background, and then reopen it. This can fix a lot of temporary store or purchase errors. If the error still appears, try waiting a few minutes and then attempt the purchase again. Sometimes Epic servers may have a short-lived issue, and retrying later works perfectly. You can also try switching from one network to another or restarting your internet connection just to rule out a connection problem. Another helpful step is to make sure the Epic Games launcher is updated. An outdated launcher can sometimes cause store checkout errors, so check for updates and install anything available. After that, relaunch the app and try again. If you're trying to purchase Unreal Engine assets, double-check the asset page carefully. Make sure the purchase is allowed in your region and confirm that you have no account restrictions or payment problems that could interrupt checkout. A clean sign-in, a launcher restart, and a region check will solve most E10-0 cases. So to recap, if Epic Games error code E10-0 shows up, first confirm you're signed in, then check whether the item is restricted in your region, and finally restart the Epic Games launcher if no restriction warning appears. In many cases, that's all it takes. If this video helped you fix the issue, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Epic Games troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.